Day 4 in Osaka.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
It's 8 a.m. now? 8 o'clock now? Bro, it's like 10. 9. Shit. Woke up a little late. Supposed to wake up at 7. But eating breakfast here at 7-Eleven. A lot of cool stuff. The chicken's pretty good.
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee. Got a condensed milk bun and a pork bun, hot one. Definitely gotta try 7-Eleven food when you're here.
Condensed milk bun?
Yeah.
GG, bro.
Oh, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like the one with the coconut.
Coconut bun?
Yeah.
Is it condensed
Like,
milk?
yeah. In Nimbubashi, and there's a lot of trains that come here, so make sure you get on the right one. Had to do a couple of transfer, or just one transfer from one line to the next. And here's our train now.
We got lost.
Please press the button next to the door.
We are at Nara Station, on the way to Nara Park, where we get to play with the deer. We're at the famous Mochi ball store. So Candy got a matcha green tea mochi. They good?
Wow, different. So like
Coffee?
very soft. Yeah, it's very soft.
What do you get? We got the vegetables and we got the pizza. What is that? It's a huge.
I'm not exactly sure how to cut it.
You gotta use it with your pinky up.
We haven't even got to our first thing and the second thing changed.
It's the okonomiyaki sauce. There's a spicy and a non-spicy. You're supposed to put it on the pancake. Oh man, this is so good.
What are the odds?
It's supposed to wash your bad luck away. We're at Nara Deer Park, ladies and gentlemen. There are deer everywhere. Thank you. Just bought some crackers. Gonna get attacked soon. This guy's so smart, he's already fallen. Oh, so soft. You gotta bow. Gotta watch for the poop. There's a lot of landmines here. It wants the white cracker. We made it to Kyoto. We're gonna find our Airbnb now. It's about an 8-minute walk. Let's see if we can find our way out of the station. Yeah, nice breeze. It looks so different from Osaka. Yeah, it looks kind of old school. Everything's very traditional. It has a very nice feel of the real Japan, unlike Osaka where it's all modernized. I think we're actually staying at one of these traditional houses. Looks really cool. Oh man, finally found our Airbnb. It's pretty rough. It's hard to find. Bathroom, shower. It's a pretty nice place, a little small little treehouse. This place is tiny. The stairs are super steep. Oh, it's almost like having a ladder. It's like a clubhouse. Treehouse.
I'm sure she totally have stayed in there.
2 beds up there and another one up down here. We are at the Yasaka Shrine. It's at the corner of Shijodori and Higashiyodori. Very touristy area. There's shops everywhere along the strip. I want to try this.
Oh, that's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
It's kind of like what we ate for lunch. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. But in a skewer form.
But no egg.
No egg, but cheese. It's kind of like a takoyaki with no squid.
Yeah, it's very doughy.
This place actually looks pretty cool at night. If you want to check out some nightlife, you should come here at nighttime and check out the lanterns because everything's lit up. On the hunt to find some dinner. I think we might eat some shabu shabu or whatever we can find. There's a huge street full of restaurants that we can pick from. This is the place. Our quest for shabu shabu failed, but we found a tempura restaurant that was pretty good. We ordered a bunch of beef and tempura, and we'll see if it's any good.
And sashimi.
And a lot assorted sashimi. So we got a bunch of meat with butter under it.
And miso.
Tempura beef with garlic sauce. It looks pretty good. Tastes pretty good too. Crunchy. Comes with mashed potatoes and sauce.
Looks like the Gordon Ramsay of Japan steak.
12 bucks.
That's not bad. We just got all our food. The scallop. We got a bunch of tempura. That's oyster sashimi right there. It's a full squid of tempura.
Okay, squid. Okay.
And a lot of shrimp. Bunch of sashimi. So there's a piece of actual surf clam. And it tastes so much better than our frozen stuff. It's actually soft.
Nom 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 nom.